Hello. I'm a vlogger, ma'am.
How are you?
Hello. Hi. I'll video you.
This is Anya Perfume, our own brand.
Your own brand?
Yes.
Really? Wow. How long have you
We just
had it?
launched last week. Thank you.
Oh, just last week. Oh, Anya.
Thank
Wow.
you. Thank you.
We'll promote it. The Sherilyn
Yeah, please
Reyes-Tan.
try.
This is her own brand.
This is our best seller. This is actually patterned after baccarat fried pork. That is unisex. That's one of our best.
The same food truck. Food truck. Hello, good evening mga kabis. Bagong adventure. It's Saturday. It's November 16. Dito tayo sa Greenfield. This is the celebrity week. So, celebrity wellness weekend dito sa Greenfield. Yan. Yung entrance natin. Yung entrance. So, this is Greenfield. Yan. Okay, Greenfield. Ayan. Greenfield. Ayan. Okay. Pasok tayo. Oh, Celebrity Wellness Weekend. Okay, pasok tayo mga kabis. Video. Mami, come here. Hello. I'm a vlogger, ma'am.
How are you?
Hello. Hi. I'll video you.
This is Anya Perfume, our own brand.
Your own brand?
Yes.
Really? Wow. How long have you
We just
had it?
launched last week. Thank you.
Oh, just last week. Oh, Anya.
Thank
Wow.
you. Thank you.
We'll promote it. The Sherilyn
Yeah, please
Reyes-Tan.
try.
This is her own brand.
This is our best seller. This is actually patterned after baccarat fried pork. That is unisex. That's one of our best.
Okay, let's go inside. Ito yung mga food truck. Food trucks. Ayan, yung mga food trucks dito. Meat and bun. Ito ang menu nyo dito. Mga food trucks. Ito, food trucks. And this is Gonghan District. Food truck.
Happy anniversary, Fave Philippines. Congratulations, Phoebe and CJ. We are selling my partner and I are selling our
Hello. There's so many people here.
And I have our yoga and meditation class tomorrow happening here also. So if you would like to join, this class is designed to empower you, to make you feel more connected to yourself, and to make you feel more calm and centered. So if you would like to join our yoga and meditation class, it's happening tomorrow around 4:30 or 5 o'clock here at Greenfield District. So thank you so much, and I'm so excited to see all the dogs.
Where's Mommy?
Yay! Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Maxine Magalona. Guys, stay here ha, kasi ito na. The fashion show is happening. Whip out your phones and cameras. And again, speaking of social media, if you're posting or uploading any photos, please tag at Pave Philippines, all right? And might as well follow us. We're on Instagram and Facebook, right? So we're, again, special thanks to our sponsor, Doggo, for, just spoiling our pets here at Celebrity Wellness Weekend with a lot of prizes. We have some dog food to give away to our winners. 10 kilos plus of course some consolation prizes as well, all right? We actually have 7 contenders for our first batch. Bababa na ako para, kasi I was speaking to some of the candidates and medyo bongga yung mga suot nila. So, they're gonna need the full stage. I'm gonna move here. All right? By the Greenfield Development Corporation, and they brought together a lot of these amazing activities for you in partnership with Pave Philippines. And we've got 6 more dogs that are rampa today. Waiting in the wings. We're just waiting to make sure that their music is ready. All right, we are. Okay, may I call on stage Anita and Fiona?
Okay, we're still here in Greenfield. Yan. So meron dito ng mga nagbebenta. Benta dito, benta. Meron dito sa mga, ano ko please? Ano to? Liong, ano? Video. Honey, come here. Hello. I'm a vlogger, ma'am.
How are you?
Hello. Hi. I'll video you.
This is Anya Perfume, our own brand.
Your own brand?
Yes.
Really? Wow. How long have you
We
had
just
it?
launched last week. Thank you.
Oh, just last week. Oh, Anya.
Thank
Wow.
you. Thank you.
We'll promote it. Miss Sherilyn
Yeah, please
Reyes-Tan.
try.
This is her own brand.
This is our best seller. This is actually patterned after baccarat fried pork. That is unisex. That's one of our best.
What's that? Kindred Wellness. What's that? Ah, for dogs. Yeah, sabihin ko. Yeah, we have a dog, pero...
For dogs.
Dogs ba yan or for?
No po.
Ano, what's that? Ah, for ano? Mga vitamins, drop, mga ano? Ah, okay. Sige. Sabihin. Dog go.
Thank you very much, Patricia and Luna. Ang ganda naman ng long gown and ng dress. And we're down to our last contender. If you guys are ready, maybe call on Pet and Princess.
Too early.
Ayun, sa loob. Yan lang, naglakad-lakad na sa loob. O, tara. Okay, ito yung mga dog section. Doggo. Made perfect. Okay, so may mga free samples dito for dog treats. Wow, free sample. Free sample. Wow, serving this. Ito yung mga food truck. Food truck. Try natin above sea level. Home giant flying squid. This is their menu. Okay, flying squid. Giant super king roots.
Alright, thank you very much, Ken and
Good for 4.
Princess.
Good for 4. Above sea level. Sizzling gambas. Okay, ito na ang ating pinaka-slice. Flying squid yan. Mainit pa, mainit.
Best friends.
Dog's name. Please give them a big round of applause if you want them to win. All right? Can we start with Cotton? Yan, si Cotton with their fairy costume. Isa pa guys, si Cotton. Okay. Okay, harap naman natin si Scooty.
Yeah, sa tabi po. Yeah.
Ah, daming fans din ni Scooty. How about Chantal? Oh, ang daming fans ni Chantal.
Daming fans, oo.
And then how about Panpa?
Okay mga kabis, tapos na tayo dito. It's already 10 o'clock. Hanggang 12 o'clock pa dito. Pero medyo line down na yung mga tao. Pagod na. Okay, kumain tayo. So what's here? So congratulations to the organizers of Celebrity Wellness Weekend. And Faith Philippines is a sponsored. Gaya sa ating video, good live. Mga kabi, via kabi. Ingat kayo mga kabi. Okay, subscribe, share, like. Kung may kabi. Bye for now. Subscribe, share, and like to your friends.